Hello everyone, salam brothers and sisters. Today we're going to one of the halal market and get some beef feet and cook at home rice with halal beef feet. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please stay with us to the end of this video and don't forget subscribe our channel, share with your family friends. Now I'm going to get beef feet from halal market. Let's go. We need to crush the garlic. It smells so good. Nice job! Time to put the garlic inside. I put the garlic and time for beef feet. And now time for water.
A few minutes later.
The beef feet is ready. Look at this. Oh my god, looks delicious. Now we should put the beef feet on the other pot and we put a rice on top of that and we cook the rice with it.
More moments later.
So our tawfiq rice is ready. Bismillah. start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wah, 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 wah. Looks so yummy. This is the lemon orange. I want to squish on the top of the rice. So how thick is it? Look at this. So delicious. The tofu is so soft and sticky. Wow. I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe and share with your family, friend, and thumbs up, put your comment. I hope you guys have amazing day. Ya Allah, Assalamu alaikum.